Understanding. Get out of the flow. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, get out of the flow. This expression might sound a bit abstract at first, but it's a powerful way to describe a common experience. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding phrases like this can really bring your language skills to life. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's important for your English fluency. Get out of the flow is a metaphorical expression used to describe a situation where someone loses their rhythm or momentum in an activity or process. Imagine you're listening to music and moving with the rhythm. Being in the flow is like being in harmony with the music. When you get out of the flow, it's as if the music stops, and you lose your rhythm. This phrase can apply to various scenarios, such as working on a project, participating in a sport, or even during conversation. It's that moment when you suddenly find yourself struggling to keep up or losing focus, breaking away from the seamless continuity you were experiencing. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. At work, you're deeply focused on a task, and everything is going smoothly until an unexpected interruption occurs. Trying to regain that level of concentration afterwards might be hard. You've gotten out of the flow of your work. 2. While studying, imagine you're studying English, and the words just seem to click together. Then, you get a distracting phone call. Returning to that state of easy learning might feel more difficult. You've been taken out of the flow of studying. 3. In sports, athletes often talk about being in the zone. If they make a mistake or get distracted, they can get out of the flow, losing that sense of effortless performance. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it correctly is another. Here's how you can incorporate get out of the flow into your English. When describing your own experience, I was writing so well, but then I got out of the flow. When discussing challenges in continuous tasks or activities, it's important not to get out of the flow when you're coding for hours. This phrase is particularly useful for narrating personal experiences or giving advice on maintaining focus and momentum. And there you have it. Get out of the flow is all about the disruption of smooth, continuous progress or activity. Remember, phrases like these add color and depth to your English, making your communication more vivid and relatable. Keep practicing, and don't let anything get you out of the flow of learning English. We hope this video has been informative and engaging. See you in the next one!